Hi there everybody, welcome to another video here at Daring Beefcake. I have this Toyota Prius. This is a 2015 model, and I just need to adjust the date that I have there. At the moment it's showing 22nd of August 2023. So to adjust the date on this car, or at least on this one particular one, 2015, I have so if you press the display button here, obviously your display changes. So I'm just gonna press the display button a few times, and it's going to go to that menu, settings. And if you press and hold that display button, you get to that menu there. And again, press the display button and go to calendar a few times. So you press it to get to calendar as many times as you need to. You can hear my button. So calendar is there, and then you press and hold, and there's the date. Now if you press the button individually, 1, 2, 3, the date goes up like this. If you want to go to, so today is the 7th of today's the 7th of May 2024. So I'm just gonna press and hold that display button until the date goes to 2024. Just be careful not to go over it. Obviously, if you did, you may have to disconnect the battery so it resets. Or you can, I'm sure there's a way of resetting it. Right, so today is the 7th of May, and that's it. Then you leave it, and it should come out of that menu automatically. And then you click the display button again, go to exit, press and hold, and it comes out of there, and you're back to normal. So that's pretty much it. So having said that, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, then just ask. If I can help you, I will. If not, I won't. But no, anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.